Hey guys, welcome back to UpClick. In this video, I'll be discussing with you Pure Dating app review. But first, check our special offer in the description. So, let's get started. So let's talk about the Pure Dating app here. Now, if you're looking at reviews and deep dives across places, online or even like in YouTube videos or even platforms like dating here, the absolute biggest selling point of Pure is its complete embrace of shameless, upfront honesty and ultimate privacy. Now, it's completely designed for casual, or in this case, no string attached encounters. And it doesn't make you sit through hours of tedious small talk. So people absolutely love the pricing features are handled here, so there are no names used and everything is operates on a 24-hour self-destruct timer, so your personal ads, photos and chat histories completely vanish after a day. Plus the app blocks screenshots entirely, so it's just really something important here for your security. And if someone even tries to take one, you get an immediate notification. Users on tech and even like dating blogs, or in this case, platforms, rave about the Devil's Bones feature, which is a quirky built-in game that throws you into a random, totally anonymous audio chats based on your preference. Now, for women, the app is largely free and they get premium perks like an incognito mode to browse completely unseen. Now, looking at the flip side here. Now, there are a few cons that heavily dominate some user feedbacks here and some comments online. Now, especially on platforms like, let's just say, Trustpilot and even on blogs out there. So, the biggest complaint from male users is the strict paywall. Now, you literally cannot see profiles or message anyone without paying a pretty steep subscription fee upfront. So, in this case, you cannot see profiles or message anyone without paying those fees. So because of the 24-hour expiration window, some reviewers mention it creates a lot of pressure to exchange external contact info immediately before that chat vanishes. Now there's also zero matching algorithm here, so you're entirely reliant on who is physically near you. So if you aren't living in a massive major city, users report that the feed can dry up incredibly fast. But then again, overall, based on what we're seeing here, if you live in a bustling urban area, value your privacy here, and want a direct zero pluff socializing app here, well, people generally say it's completely worth trying out. In this case, that's about it. So if you found this video, hit the like and subscribe button and watch our next video.